Good morning and welcome back to Area 31. Today I am back in the Cessna 152 and we're going to do this ILS flight today. I'm here at Eureka, California, and we just have a short distance to fly. You can see this is pointing towards the airport I need to go to, apparently. 10.828 nautical miles. So I need to set up. In the last video I tried to do a VOR flight, and I set nav 1 and nav 2, nav 1, nav 2 to the VOR frequencies, the one at each end of the airport, two closest VORs. Anyway, it didn't work. I really couldn't navigate by that. So now I'm going to be using nav 1 to put the glide path, the ILS frequency in there. So to get that, and by the way, I went into options and I tried to get rid of all this stuff here. I like having it there, but I wanted to get rid of it because I want to be doing my flying inside the cab of the plane rather than out here. But I went through everything and I couldn't find how to get rid of this stuff. So if anybody has a suggestion how to do that, please comment down below. Anyway, let's head to our little nav map. So here we are in the little nav map, and we're just going to call it the map from here on out because I get a little bit tongue-tied. So anyway, here is our plane sitting here at Eureka, California. Now we're going to fly up here to Arcata, and this of course is the glide slope, and get back to where we were at. I don't know why that suddenly changed on me. So the frequency for it is going to be 10950, and you see it says that right there on the frequency, 10950. That also tells me that frequency right here, over here at the ILS runway 32. So we'll be able to watch the plane fly through this area. It's going to be a short flight. We're taking off in this direction, so we'll just go down here a ways and do a quick turn, and then hopefully the ILS will direct me to this glide path. Before we put that frequency in, I did figure out how I did find my piece of paper, my keyboard shortcut thing that came with the game. It took me a while to find it, and in order to operate the pitch trim down here, it's going to be number key 7 and number key 1, and I think the number key 1 is the lowest one, will pitch me up, and the 7 will pitch me down. So we get to try that out today. Anyway, so let's zoom in a little bit here. I got the game paused, by the way, so I didn't want the plane to just start walking away, although the parking brake's on. I don't know how I could do that. So okay, so let's set our frequency. We need 109.5. I always go the wrong way. So the big knob is doing that. Now we go to the little knob, and there we go. I finally figured out which way to go with the mouse wheel there. Okay, that's my frequency. So now we need to play the switcheroo game there, and it puts it over here, which makes it active. And you can see nav 1 is still the same, and nav 2 we're not fooling with. So anyway, let's take the parking brake off, and let's get rid of this situation here. Take the pause off and throttle up and begin taking off here. Alright, hopefully I can make this work better than the last video with the VOR business. Okay, here we go. Yep, let's go ahead and start lifting off. So I need to go back to the little nav map and see. I don't remember what it's going to tell me as far as my elevation. But let's get this thing up here in the air, at least to 1,000, 1,500, maybe go 2,000 feet. Let's just keep doing that. Just go out here and look and see. Visit the outdoor area there. Sorry about that.
Seattle Center Cessna Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra is
The
passing
button that
600
controls
feet,
this is
climbing
on top
1,000 feet.
of my joystick, and it's really sensitive. It just bounce around like no other. So. Anyway, in this case, this is really helpful having these gauges out here.
Climb and maintain 3,000 feet Cessna
3,000
X-Ray
feet.
Golf Sierra.
Okay, that's kind of what I was hoping for, or what I wanted to know. Now we got quite a ways. I don't know if we really need to get that tall. Now look at nav1, it has changed, certainly. So I need to have those two lines absolutely centered, and that tells me that we're heading in the right direction. So I think this is saying that I am right of my target. Probably, right? I don't know. It's hard to tell, so let's let off the stick, see what's going to happen. And we're still climbing about 500 feet a minute, so I think we can go check out the map really quick. So here we are. See the plane's taking off in this direction. I'm going to go out here a ways, and then we will turn and start heading that way. So anyway, it wasn't really much to see out here. Let's go back to the sim.